Eastern Shore Toyota is 17 acres of wow, perfectly located between Mobile, Alabama and Pensacola, Florida. Our dealership was built with the customer in mind.
Imagine driven GT has Silver 05 BMW 645 Ci, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with only 39,706 miles. Enjoy an impressive 26 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, leather upholstery, leather-wrapped steering wheel, leather upholstery, keyless entry, side airbag system, and much more. Feel the wind in your hair, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this 05 BMW 645 Ci. See us at Eastern Shore Toyota today.
Eastern Shore Toyota is your exclusive Gulf Coast home of the limited lifetime warranty. We provide this incredible benefit to our customers at no additional charge on all new Toyotas and select pre-owned vehicles.